Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to explore our local village, which is staying right now in my local area. I mean brahmanbaria, Bijanagar, and it's one side of our country. I mean there is, as you can see, this there far area which is seen like lots of trees. It's a Indian border. So right now I'm riding or I'm traveling in a land of Bangladesh, but that side is also the Indian side and Indian route. So I hope you'll enjoy by watching this video or this blog. And you know this, my every video has a contains with a natural view and village scene or panoramic view, and it's environmental collection in my video. Everyone know this. So because I love that, I want to travel in such a weather or such a nature. That's why everything is or contains with natural view. So I believe that there are lots of people or guys those who are follow me, always support me, and all type of fans are like my videos and like such a weather. So as you can see, this is a real picture of my village or a village scene of Bangladesh. So right now it's day by day it's become so beautiful, so colorful, and I know that those who are staying abroad, I mean Middle East or Western country, but their birthplace in this country, they you are always miss your country, or you are always miss your village or such a way there your childhood. So particularly and that for that type of people, always try to show this kind of scenario so that you can get such a pleasure or such a love, and you can remember, you can feelings, and you can see what condition or what's the real picture of your country right now. I mean, what's the real picture of Bangladesh and Bangladeshi village. So I'm riding a auto rickshaw. I mean, this local area is popular bike or popular car in here, and it's so easy to travel one place to another place or hang out or everything. This is electric bike, electric car. I mean, electric small car, which is carry more than 4 or 5 peoples. So I'm sitting in front of this car and recording this video. And you're as you can see, this place is so cool and everything is white, and this land is filled with layers of trees and bamboos and different kind of fruits tree in here. So there are also as you can see, this that side is Indian side, and in Bangladesh land or Bangladesh side. So in this village, it's attached with Indian border and Bangladesh border. So those who are want to visit this border, you can come this land, or you can come this side to watch or see or travel. So this is so beautiful road in here. I'm just passing, and I think it's wonderful. And when or if you write such a way that you can fulfill your mind, you can fulfill your heart to with happiness and beautiful. So amazing, this site I'm always visit, and lots of time I'm using such a small car to transport one place to another place, and it's easy and there is no lots of cost to travel. Okay, so in there is in this land there are also rare picture of home. There is like this. If someone built in here a home, then another also built far away their home. I mean, it is a it is their rare house or rare home in here. So right now I'm intended to perform my salah in a beautiful masjid in here, and I love to be in here. Going to perform our Juma salah. As you can know, this today is Juma day. That's why. So this masjid is so colorful and so beautiful. They built. I mean, the authority do their hard work to build and make such a beautiful masjid. And right now, the Imam is delivering his holy speech, and he's trying to convince every Musalli or every people, those who are come to say their perform their salah. So I just finished my Juma day, and people also rushing to their home from this masjid. And this is the real picture in Bangladesh masjid when uh, salah is in or done, then people go their home such a way. And so this is the picture. So Allah Hafiz, see you next video.